I stood in the mirror on a Tuesday and said it out loud the way the video told me to. I am enough. Felt like a lie wearing my face. I said it again, louder, the way you talk to someone who's not listening. I am enough. The mirror just stood there. Didn't argue, didn't agree. Just showed me, the same man who had been tired since March, standing in yesterday's t-shirt trying to convince himself of something before the coffee was ready. I had the index card on the bathroom wall. I had the journal. I had the app that sent me a reminder at 8 a.m. that I was worthy. Worthy. Like a coupon about to expire. My grandmother never said, I love myself a day in her life. What she did was get up in the middle of the night and make me cream of wheat. Didn't do it for her own children, did it for me. No speech, no words about her worth or mine. Just the sound of a pot. Just the light from the stove at 2 a.m. cutting through the dark like she decided something that nobody else was there to see her decide. I used to think love was a feeling you had to earn your way into. She taught me it was something you just did. Even when you hadn't before, even when it was late. You can't think your way into feeling it. You cannot say a true thing into existence from the outside in. Because the part of you that needs to believe it doesn't live in your head. It lives in your chest, behind your sternum, in the place that goes tight when you're about to do something that costs you. That part doesn't speak English. It speaks what your hands did when you had nothing left and you did it anyway. It speaks the time you told the truth and felt your throat close around it and you said it anyways. So I stopped saying, I am enough. And I just started staying. Not performing it, not posting it, just staying in my own body long enough to feel what it costs for me to be here. And on one morning, no special morning, a regular one, the kind that doesn't announce itself, I looked up and I wasn't trying anymore. I was just there.